Since the 21st century, modern biotechnologies have brought increasing influences and changes to human production and life. Biofermentation industry, using cornstarch as major raw material, emerges along with the biotechnology development which colorizes human life with various products. Fufeng Group just rises against such an era background. Fufeng Group's fermentation industry originated in 1942 as a small brewery called Junan County Brewery, Shandong Province. In 1973, it began to manufacture MSG. In 1999, after being restructured into a private joint stock company and renamed Shandong Fufeng Fermentation Group Company Limited, Fufeng came to a historical turning point. In 2002, Fufeng Biotechnology's engineering park was built in Junan County with a xanthan gum plant as the first high-tech project within brought into production 1 year later. In 2004, Powerq Fufeng Biotechnologies Company Limited was brought into operation in Powerq City, Shanxi Province. In 2006, Neimungu Fufeng Biotechnologies Company Limited was built in Hohhot City, Inner Mongolia, with MSG, xanthan gum, and starch sugar as its major products. Its production volume expanding violently, Fufeng Group then led an integration of China's MSG and xanthan gum industries. Shortly afterwards, on February 8, 2007, Fufeng Group was listed on the main board of the HK Exchange. In 2008, with the acquisition of Jiangsu Shenhua Pharmaceutical Company Limited, Fufeng Group began to cultivate in pharmaceutical field. In 2010, Hulanber Fufeng Biotechnologies Company Limited was brought under construction in Inner Mongolia. By now, with biofermentation as its major business, Fufeng has become a large corporate group with over 10,000 workers and 4 billion RMB assets. In March 2010, China Light Industry Federation and China Fermentation Industry Association jointly declared Fufeng as #1 of the top 10 enterprises in fermentation industry. Technological innovation has been found a magic weapon to enhance Fufeng's competitive power, and its world-class R&D the firm backup of its constant corporate development. With the application of the alpha crystallization, enormous upgrade was brought to MSG quality and made Fufeng the hallmark of quality and credit for MSG. The proprietary IPR of xanthan gum and its following improvement finally raised Fufeng to the top of global xanthan gum industry. Independently or jointly, Fufeng R&D Center has undertaken a series of important national projects and therefore been accredited as a postdoctoral center and national certification laboratory. Further, by adopting the resource conservation and environment-friendly road of development, Fufeng Group realized a green, low-carbon, and recycle economy mode of production. In this mode, corn is fermented into MSG, and MSG waste liquid transformed into green biofertilizer, and then green biofertilizer back into corn. Having successfully traveled a road of resources, products, recycled resources, Fufeng ensured a win-win situation for both development and environmental protection. Fufeng Group was then awarded National Pilot Enterprise for Recycling Economy in Fermentation Industry. On April 30th, 2009, with its facility for controlling MSG waste liquid vaporization successfully commissioned to the expectation, Fufeng solved a world-class tough environmental problem in the MSG industry. All of this was made possible by the constant pursuit and practice of the Fufeng people, that is, cleaner water and bluer sky. By implementing its extraordinary brand strategy, Fufeng now shifted its focus on upgrading the quality of its corporate development. Based on Friend and Shumei, two well-known existing Fufeng MSG brands, Fufeng, by inviting Ms. Zhao Yajie, a famous Hong Kong movie star, forcefully presented to the market high-end brand products such as Fufeng YouShine MSG, Fufeng YouShine Chicken Bouillon, Fufeng YouShine Corn Oil, etc., with the bottled high-quality MSG and chicken bouillon as the first of its kind in the industry. As it started running high-profile commercials on CCTV, Fufeng launched its brand campaign. Outstanding brands won't live long without matching quality. With advanced technological process and quality control systems certified internationally, Fufeng series have been presented with qualities only achievable by the world's best manufacturers. Certified with ISO 9001, ISO 22000, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, Kosher, Halal, BRC, and IP, Fufeng has established a sophisticated corporate management system. With food safety and health as the constant pursuit, Fufeng MSG has been classified as the national A-grade green food, and Fufeng Friend awarded as the most competitive brand by China National Ministry of Commerce. Through the provincial capitals-based sales and services network across China and a global distribution network across the 6 continents in the world, Fufeng products are now sold to all areas in China as well as most countries and areas in the world. Following the concept of honest and win-win cooperation, Fufeng offers its customers market support in terms of advertising, promotion, and PR activities, technical support in terms of product consumption and formula solutions, and logistics support in terms of short-term and timely deliveries and less working capital. Today, with 1/4 and nearly 1/2 of the global MSG and xanthan gum market share respectively, Fufeng has become the largest MSG and xanthan gum manufacturer in the world. Fufeng also produces glucose, fructose, corn oil, chicken bouillon, biofermentation fertilizer, threonine, L-valine, isoleucine, and proline, as well as BPC, dosage form drug, health products, etc. With its remarkable achievements, Fufeng now provides the whole world with high-quality, cost-effective, and high-return products and services. To build a modern and evergreen Fufeng, the company has been enhancing its workforce by motivation, love, care, and welfare. It has developed an effective mechanism to attract, employ, and maintain a pyramid of talents and formed its own unique corporate culture as well. Advocating the spirit of teamwork, aggression, frugality, and innovation, and cherishing the concept of focusing on bioengineering, benefiting the public, winning market share by quality, and forging the future by technology, Fufeng is full of inexhaustible confidence and energy. With the commitment to sustainable corporate and social development, Fufeng has been constantly optimizing its internal and external environment. It offers over 10,000 jobs with its employees' income ranked at the top of local level. By sponsoring Hope Schools and setting up assistantship funds, it provides education chances to local teenagers. By donating nursing homes, it shows love and care to the local aged. Committed to the construction of harmonious society as an enterprise full of the sense of social responsibility and historic mission, it inspires the public to work hard for a more beautiful future. With constant input of international capital through the HK Exchange, its new projects have been made possible one after another. Corporate size upgraded and corporate development diversified. Therefore, Fufeng shares have been listed as the Hang Seng Index shares, and by the end of 2009, the market value of Fufeng shares had exceeded 10 billion RMB. Prudent and manipulative as it is, with the international capital lever, Fufeng is ready for a more powerful takeoff. With biofermentation as the lead, technology and management as the wings, capital and talents as the engine, Fufeng is now heading for an even more beautiful future. The thought of affluent people and prosperous society will remain the eternal goal of Fufeng Group. Building a powerful industrialized country will require the determined pursuit of Fufeng Group. Fufeng Group.